Hello dears. So today we are going to look into this another element of art that is called the shape. Shape you already know. So let us just discuss what is a shape. Okay, so the shape, as we already told before, it's like flat, like a 2D, and in an enclosed area, like it is a closed space having a particular length and width also. Okay, so basically it's an enclosed area and it is named after the number of sides as well. If you just check the number of sides or number of lines used, if it is one line just used in a curvy form, it can become a circle. Then three lines can make a triangle. So just like that, it is named. Okay, now let's just have a look into the basic shapes. You already know the circle and a square and a triangle. Then another some shapes, a star shape, a heart shape, or a rectangle, diamond, pentagon, hexagon, octagon, and a crescent shape, the shape of the moon. Okay, so there are a lot of basic shapes, you already know about that. Now we see a lot of examples for these shapes. Now we have to classify all these shapes into two. One is regular or geometrical shapes and another is organic or free-form shapes. Okay, so first one we will think about the geometric shapes. It is actually named by counting the number of sides. As I said before, a proper geometric shape. If it has only one line used, it is circle. Three lines, it is a triangle. Four line, it can be square or rectangle or diamond shape. Then five lines, it's a pentagon. Six lines, it's an hexagon. Seven line, it's a septagon. And then eight line, it's octagon. And for nine lines, it's nonagon. Like that, it's a lot of lines. Names are there as well. Now we will see into the organic or free form shapes. It's actually just as the name, it's free form shapes, like it doesn't follow any rules. So there is no name also associated with any particular shape. Okay, this can be like a silhouette, or if we say like just draw the shape of your foot, or shape of a bird flying, or shape of the tree. These all can be organic free form lines because it is just forming with any lines actually, but it's just a shape. You can understand which shape it is, but it can't be calculated, or there is no particular rule for applying the maths to it. So just it's like that has the name. It's a free form or organic shapes. Okay, now I will show you how to do all these shapes. So you can start it on your drawing sheet, and first let me try drawing a circle. So you can see I'm using a single line, making curves with it. Okay, that's a curvy line. You can see it's a curvy line and all sides are curvy, and a circle is formed just by doing a curvy line. So it's just only one line which is used to make a circle. So practice making a proper circle. Next, I will draw a square shape that has four sides. Okay, so I'm making two horizontal lines first, leaving a equal gap, and then I will connect this with two vertical lines. Okay, two horizontal lines and two vertical lines. The peculiarity of this square is that it has equal sides, right? These all things you know already, but I'm just telling again. Okay, so each side is equal. That's why it's called a square. So as two lines, actually you can make a semicircle, okay, or a half circle, that I didn't draw here because it's quite easy for you. That is like just one horizontal line and one curvy line. Okay, now we will focus on a three line or three side shape, that is a triangle. Now we will focus on another one side, I mean one line shape, that is an oval, just another variation from the circle. This also have only one side. Then the rectangle again, it has two opposite equal sides. That means the second and fourth side are equal, first and third lines are equal. This is the another four side shape, that is called a diamond shape, or it can also be called rhombus when you keep it in a horizontal way. Now we will draw a pentagon. A regular pentagon can be drawn in this way with five sides. Now this is the sixth, I mean six lines are used to make a hexagon. Here I'm actually trying to draw the octagon. As you can see, just draw two lines like this way and two lines like this way equally, and just connect with slanting lines to form eight sides octagon. So this is how we will make all these regular shapes. So with this we can calculate the width and all of maths. We can apply maths on these all shapes. That's why it's called geometric shapes or regular shapes. Okay, so just practice all these, get the name of all these and keep doing it. And after this we will focus on the regular I mean organic shapes. Organic shapes, now we will form the organic or free form shapes. This is very easy. So first thing I'm trying is a heart shape. See, it doesn't have any proper method or anything. Okay, so you can make it in any way. So it's actually an organic shape. And now the crescent I'm drawing. After that, many shapes. You can just add lot of shapes in it, and please find more whatever you like. Okay, dear. So these are a few of the organic shapes. So just find more of it and practice these regular shapes and organic shapes properly, and find out more organic shapes also, and do practice, like keep on practicing. And if you have got any doubt, just WhatsApp me anytime on this number. Okay, dears, and we will meet on next class.